Hello everyone, this is our new video. Today date 14 May 2022. Today's topic is string pool. SCP means string coordinates pool concept of the Java. The Java.string is the most important topic in the. There is the number of concept in the related string, but the string pooling concept is the one of the them. The string pooling concept is the Java is a bit strictly. The string pool is nothing but the storage area in Java heap memory where the string is literal stores. It also known as a string integer pool and string constants pool. It is just object allocation and default it is empty the privately maintained just like privately maintained by the Java string class where we create the string object and some space in the heap memory. The creating a number of the string may increase the cost and memory tool, which may be reduce the performance also. The JVM platform sum the steps during the initialization of the string literals and that increase the performance and decrease the memory load. To declare the number of the string object create in the JVM, the string class keep a pool or string. When we create the string literal and first check the literal is string full and then literal is already present in full, they return the reference of the full instance and then literal is not present in full, a new string object take place in the string pool. Using string literals, next is using new keywords. New keyword in Java, new keywords is also the creating the string yes is equal to new string in bracketing Java, and next is the first we have to create the string literal Python and then take place in the pool after the string data sense the created. It also to take place in the pool. At last again we have to create the string Python, but at this time JVM is check the string and found out the string literal is already present. Instead of the taking a new instance in the string pool, it returns the reference of the full instance in the string. Full instance of the string. When we to use the new keywords in create the string literal, it also take place in the string pool. We have to create the three string literal Java, C++, data science, and with the string literal Java and C. A new but data science is literally already existing in the pool. At this time, the JVM allocated space called literal data science in Java heap. Remember that all the string literal creating with the new keywords take place in the Java heap, not the string pool. The string internal method puts all the string in the string pool or refers to another string object from the string for having the same values and return the string from Food in the string full already contains a string equal to the string object. We determine the string by using the string equals object. Thank you.